All right, Jamie.
Yep.
You see that one out front, right by the branch?
Yep.
You're gonna aim for that one. Ready?
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
I got this one over here on the right.
Oh, there he is.
That's all right, Jamie.
Oh, damn it.
All right, I'll go get this bird. This is my specialty right here. It's a big one though. Yeah. Hen Buffy? That's my specialty. Jamie, get ready. Get your gun out. Take the first shot, Jamie. We'll follow you. It'll come back up. Hold on. Nah, that's not the same one, Jamie. Right in the decoys. Hold it. It'll pop up here in a second. Hold on. I missed on that one. You got him? Awesome. Hold on, hold on, hold on. 3. Or not. Go. Alright, I'm gonna shoot this Buffy head. They're going. Hold on, I'm gonna let it swim a little closer because it's coming in. You see it, Jamie?
Yeah, I did. He might go to the outside.
Yeah. That's my specialty. Kill it, Jamie.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
Don't use your shells on these cripples, Jamie. Oh, that's far. Get ready, Jamie. Kill that thing, Jameson. Kill it, Jamie.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey, good job, Jamie. First branch, dude.
Let's go, dude.
Nice job, buddy.
Here's my GoPro one.
Yeah, your GoPro's on. Yep.
Congrats, buddy.
No
way.
No way, dude.
Banded
Nice
brand
work,
for your
kid.
first one. You
Good
have to get
work.
it mounted now.
Oh, dude, I'm getting
Be
mounted.
careful with the neck on that. Grab it by the foot.
What?
Grab it by the foot. Don't carry it by the neck.
Why not?
He's gonna mount it.
It'll fuck the neck up.
Alright.
Nice work, kid.
We'll call your dad.
Nice
Oh.
work.
Oh my gosh, Jamie!
That's what it's all about.
I've never even shot a band, Jamie.
Nah, are you sure?
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh, you should have let it land. Good job, guys.
Oh, no. Nice. Oh, no. Get that one.
Kill him.
Oh my God, Tony, good shot.
Smoked him on that first
Good
shot, baby
shot,
boy.
I completely mixed. I didn't even have time to get my safety off. All right.
Buffy Vito, baby.
Dude, I love this, dude. Oh, from the right, from the right. They're behind. Oh, dude, that's a birdie one.
No, I don't.
Kill it.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Yes. Last shot again, baby.
Sunk that sucker.
Thanks, dude. Appreciate you. Kill it, boys. Wow. Oh, right here.
Wait, we got buffaloes coming.
Smoke that thing, dude.
How the fuck did you fit that? Who fucking shot that?
Me.
Dude, what the fuck? That was like 70.
That was a far shot. Pretty bird. Well, that happened. James, shoot. Whoever shot first missed it. It was just to the right of it. Yes!
Oh my God.
We got it, gents. These birds are so tough.
Yeah, dude, I didn't even shoot a shot. I'm not wasting one. That's just my duck, dude.
Wait, what'd you say the first shot was off?
The first shot was to the right, like all the pellets. Oh, it's still alive. Jamie, my GoPro on or off?
Get some crackers over there.
On. Dude, that's...
Hey, big boy. A cracker for my cracker? Hold on, I gotta shoot this thing again.
I got it. I got it. Ready?
Yeah.
Second win.
Four.
Oh my God!
It's dead, it's dead.
Dude, how many touch these shit? That's like $30 for fucking.
Yeah, that
buffalo
thing's
pad.
worth like fucking $15.
Gosh, dude.
I love that.
Dude, these buffies, man. This is why we need lead.
Yeah, Jamie, that's when they get their second wind over there.
Bring the
You
lead
shoot
back.
them and they play dead and then they get up and like fly away. It's so
Yeah.
funny.
Bring the lead back.
Oh, on the left. Smoke. None. No, do not.
I can shoot him?
No.
Alright, I'll get the left.
Killer. Wait, you take 2 out with 1 shot? Or
Yeah,
no,
he
wait.
did.
No, the other one dove.
Oh, let me...
Oh, I got the one that comes up. Alright.
I didn't shoot him. Oh yeah, he's dead.
Yeah, there we go, gents.
Good shooting, boys.
I got it when she comes back up. There you go, gents.
Oh, yeah.
2 more, baby.
Oh yeah, boy. Watch out, we got something on the right.
Hey, and there. Oh, the one went belly up. I was gonna say this is gonna great.
Oh, he went down.
Kill one, Matt. Wow.
Don't swing
Like right next to my head.
Oh, I got hit before too.
I didn't shoot.
Okay. I got hit with one of those fucking...
I didn't pull my gun. I didn't touch it because that's your bird. I might have overlet.
Hold on. Hold on.
Me?
No, he was flying like 30 miles an hour.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna smack one in Brant.
I think you hit one. They were kind of far though.
Shoot him.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yeah, hurry up.
Yes.
Get another shot. You got that?
Alright, here we go.
Shoot that guy.
Want me to do-
Yeah.
Bro, we gotta get the boat for that one.
Yeah, I gotta get...
Chill. I missed.
Get down, stop. Block us.
Dusted that.
Let him land, Rich.
He fucking shot before me.
No, I didn't. Yeah, you shot first, my guy.
Black stuff coming up.
Yeah. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Oh, another one. Hold on. Here it comes. That's a big duck. That's a dagger.
Bucky's right here.
Yeah, I see him.
Yep. Goodbye. I got him ready. Wait.
Oh my god, it's a blood. Oh, it's a blood.
Don't move.
You're a fucking killer, dude.
Thanks, dude.
The fucking male.
I got no more shells. See what I mean, dude? No, I don't have any shells on me. Please tell me they're actually coming at us and not going away. Oh, right here. Didn't even have time to get the camera on. Nah, 2 came by, we down today. And straight Susie's today. They set up over there. Alright, I'll let you know. Set up, shot at them. They were a little far, came right over here. We down that one. Pretty cool. That was a far shot. That's alright. You got it? No way. This bird's stupid enough to face me again. I didn't have any shells in my gun and I just pulled the trigger because it circled back around me. That's a little far. Oh, right here on the right, coming in. Get ready to try this bird. Kill it.
No fucking way you shot
Who
a
was
bird
that?
like that.
He killed it.
What the fuck?
Is my GoPro on?
Yeah. Is that you, Judge?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Oh, that's you. Gets up.
She's pretty. Pretty girl.
So
All right, Jamie, you gotta remember, you're shooting a 20 gauge. That bird.
I was aiming up.
Hold on. This thing is.
it's like retarded or something.
Yo, it's spinning back. Get your gun. Shoot this thing.
Dude, shoot it. Oh my god.
Wow.
Luckiest fucking broad dog.
Dude, that sound is like freak.
When these come by, shoot at them.
Oh, dude, they're coming down on me.
They're coming right at us. They're coming right at us. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Go! Kill them! He's right there. Jesus Christ!
Yeah, this brant, we're coming right in.
Oh my, fuck, my.
Oh no.
What?
I did it again.
What?
In my eye.
Stop lying.
More rounds. The last round. Oh my goodness, look at him.
Oh my gosh, yeah, yeah. Hold on, hold on, hold on. This one's coming right at us. Hold on. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Fuck.
Right here, right, black. Right here, black.
I see him, I see him, I see him, I see him, I see him. Come here. Hey, locked up. Mallards!
Fucking happened.
It's still alive, it's still alive. Put another round in it. Put another round in it.
I dropped. Oh, I shot right over top him.
My eardrums cooked. Oh, no. Oh, and I'm not hearing you straight.
We got one.
Got a mallard.
I know we fucking did it.
A big old boy.
Fuck, I didn't even get my gun case. Bro. Fuck.
What?
My gun case.
Where is it?
Shit.